Apple announces a surprise event for December. Did you get your invite yet, Will?
No.
They left you out of there. They left you out of this one.
Mr. Cook.
You've been too harsh, that's what they say. They were planning on it. It was in the mail. That's the meme. It was in the mail.
Yeah.
And they had to call it back. They called the post office. They said, "Get that back over here. Can't bring that to Willie Doo." We saw what he said. He's all fired up on a recent episode. We saw what he said.
I'm just like, hey, wait a minute.
Yeah, we can't have him at the event.
Belongs to me.
I don't think you're missing much, to be honest. It's a celebration, apparently, of the company's favorite games and apps from 2019. Who wants to go to that? I don't. Well, whatever. Game developers. I apologize. I shouldn't have said that. I actually didn't mean that. It's when you hear Apple event, you think some new device. Apple's having more events now, and it's varied. The types of events. In this case, it's going to be in New York, which always seems to imply it's a different style of event than what they do at the HQ in the campus. With the round.
Very secretive.
With the infinite loops going on.
Yeah.
And everything's white. And the lighting. They're in infinity. It's just infinity over there.
Yes.
Time stands still. Tim is there.
He's wearing a robe. Godlike.
It's well established what those events look like. This one, on the other hand, this is a New York event, which those ones, they're a bit more gritty. It's mean streets. Taxi driver.
Is it really?
No. The purported invite, tweeted out by LifeWire Tech's Lance Ulanoff Monday, and also reported by 9 to 5 Mac, features a gold-colored App Store logo. The event is going to be held at 4 p.m. on that day, according to CNBC. And there's some speculation as far as what's going to be covered. They think it's going to, of course, focus on apps. It has a giant app logo there. But what about apps? What are they going to do? Are they going to do some awards? Is it an app award show? Join us honoring our favorite. Is it an award show? Does Apple do award shows now? It's like the Grammys for apps? Maybe. I don't know. It's gold. It looks like an award.
I was just thinking that.
We're just here speculating right now. If that was the case, Will, what app is going to win best in class for you? App of the year?
I don't know.
Well done, Willie Doo.
I don't use iOS.
No, you don't have to use iOS. I'm saying just any app.
Slack has been pretty good.
You're a big Slack
to
guy.
us,
You're a big Slack guy.
Slack is great.
Okay, fine. Slack, app of the year. Willie Doo. Not very fun. We're just chatting.
It's
Chatting about work stuff because we're a startup. Because if you use Slack, you're a startup.
yes.
So
All the integrations.
you could have said a game or something exciting, but
No.
that would be too exciting for you, I guess.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see what ends up happening. We won't be there, but we'll let you know what takes place as we are on this show in 2019. Willie Doo 2019.